Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the MS Excel video series. So in the last class, we have discussed about the sum function. And in this class, we are going to discuss about the product function, which is used for multiplication. So what you have to do, you have to write the is equal symbol and then you have to write the product. You have to write the product. After writing the product, this function is used for multiplication. So as you can see, in the same way we have did in the sum function, you have to write the same way. I want that 10 should be multiplied by 5. 10 should be multiplied by 5 and this should be multiplied by 3 and this should be multiplied by 2. So I'm going to close the bracket and then press enter. As you can see, answer is 300. This method is known as constant method. Now if you want to use this in the difference method, you can also do that. So I'm going to delete this one. So now I'm going to write some values here. For example, I want to write that I'm going to write 10 here, then I'm going to write the 50 here, and then 35 here. I'm going to write the is equal symbol here, then I'm going to write the product function here. I'm going to write the product here, product, and then what we have to select these values. After selecting these values, we have to close the bracket. After closing the bracket, we have to press the enter. As you can see, the answer is here. So this one is known as the reference method. So in this way you can multiply your different values. You can apply these both methods, reference method and constant method. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the product for your multiplication. So see you guys in the next video.